Hello everybody, it's 11:35, just turning 11:36 now. This is the drawing for the mini number 3 for House of Secrets 92 and Swamp Thing number 1. I started this, it froze, and then it started again, so I hope everybody can see this video. Alright, let's do our 3 dice. Number is 10. Whoever comes in first place in this mini will win the first 4 available spots in the main. Whoever comes in second will win the next 2 available. Forgot to do this part, so let's look at our 24 participants over here on the left. And away we go. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here comes the final one. 10. John Tung comes in first. He wins the first 4. Chris Hibb comes in second for the 3rd time in a row. He wins the next 2. Time is 11:37 and 7